Foxus AI just dropped, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Before you even think about using it, this could be the best just released AI software of the year, but there's a catch, and if you miss it, you'll regret it later. Stick around, because what I found by the end might completely change how you look at automation. And yeah, you can try Foxus AI completely free from the first link below. No credit card, just dive in and test it out for yourself. Now here's why that might be a smart move. Foxus AI is built to simplify your entire workflow, whether you're running a small business, doing client work, or scaling a digital agency. At first glance, it's like ChatGPT and Zapier had a baby, then gave it a dashboard that's actually intuitive. But what sets it apart is the automation layer that works without complex setup. You type what you want in plain English, and it builds out your process using AI-driven workflows, email responses, lead routing, outreach, content planning, you name it. The first thing that really impressed me? It's fast. Not just in response time, but in setup. I built an outreach funnel that would have taken 3 tools and 2 hours in under 6 minutes. Foxus AI also understands context better than most no-code platforms I've tested. You're not just triggering events based on clicks or tags. It remembers user intent, adjusts tone, and evolves your workflows over time. That's huge if you're trying to personalize your marketing without burning out. Another game changer, it integrates directly with Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, and over 5,000 apps through native and Zapier connections. But the built-in logic actually replaces a lot of those tools if you're just starting out. Now, is it perfect? No. If you're doing high-volume tasks, the AI can still get a little repetitive, especially in outbound messaging. That said, it's still learning, and they're pushing weekly updates, which is rare with brand new tools like this. Security-wise, they're SOC 2 compliant and store data with end-to-end encryption. I checked their documentation, it's solid. But don't expect full enterprise-level controls just yet if you're managing multiple teams. Now here's what most people won't tell you. Foxus AI can replace 3 to 4 other paid tools if you use it right. But to do that, you need to go beyond templates. Ask it to build custom logic for your exact use case. That's where it really shines. Think lead scoring, proposal writing, even full content calendars, just by describing what you want. And finally, the pricing. For now, they have a generous free plan to test the waters. Great for solo founders or marketers. But they've hinted at usage-based pricing in the future, so if you want to lock in early, now's the time. This could be a game changer if you're serious about automating smarter, not harder. Again, you can try Foxus AI for all's free right now. First link in the description. And if you're still on the fence, I've also included my top recommended AI tools. After testing over 1,000 of them right below, go check them out.